me,
And it's so ironic
Ito ang
kasi
title?
sinasabi nila
for one, I have
among the
name.
people
But
daw
I
kasi
haven't asked anyone yet.
yung nagsasalita ng mga official sa kanila yung nagmumura, yung ganun na
Please like and
akala nila
subscribe.
dahil
Means the world to me.
nagmumura siya,
Let's go.
naiintindihan niya yung mga ay, naiintindihan niya yung mga tao na naghihirap. Oh,
Oh, dude.
just because he talks like that, he is not one of you. He has always had money. Naniniwala kayo na he never gained any. Nag-Rolex din yan. Diba? Like, how can you believe that he's got apat ito yung ano niya, oh. Tapos, like all these guns, he has to have somewhere to put all of those guns. Tapos yung mga big bikes niya. Kaya lang, ang mga tao may mga show, parang naniniwala talaga sa kanya, and parang kulto na nga eh. Di ba?
Kaya naman ay ang sinasabi ko nga, hindi dahil magaling silang manloko, o hindi magaling manloko itong mga. Yun po yan. That's, yung electorate natin,
So yeah.
they will judge you or they will make decisions or judgments based on what they see. Yun na tinake advantage yung nakuha ng Pilipinong tao. Ano ba, di ba?
Let's say, ganun nga, you know, meron namang, there's people that you win back, right? Meron namang kasi, meron kami nakikita dyan sa mga comments na